Hi, it's Duo. You missed your chess lesson. Oh well. It's Duo again. You know what happens now.
It's time for a little wonky-tonky.
Oh, it's not a creepy chess game. Hi! Who are you?
I am Oscar, chess Grandmaster.
Cool! Have you seen my brother? He's about this big, typically wearing orange, claims he's deathly allergic to broccoli, but I'm 85% sure he's faking it.
You mean Judah?
Guys!
Elijah?
What? He's captured 2 of them. He's done this more than twice.
Judah!
Ah, yes. One who vaguely smells like carrots.
Give them back!
Absolutely.
Really? Just like that? No one say anything. Don't ruin this for us.
I'll give him back to you right now. If you, Shiloh, can beat me in a game of chess.
I knew it! I knew there was a catch!
You can never trust a guy in green pants.
What? Hey, how'd you get snacks?
No, don't get excited. They're the healthy snacks Shiloh keeps at the bottom of the pantry.
I'll even help you, if only to spare us both the humiliation.
Your haircut is humiliating!
Reach a little closer. We're close. A little closer. Oh, wait, pick it up. Get it?
Why are you doing this? Why capture Judah? What do you stand to gain?
I am a teacher. It's what I do. Ah, yes. I'll give you a moment to panic in private.
Good! We're so toast!
All right, we all know Duo has a tendency to capture people.
Yeah, that habit's gone.
But he has another reason. I think he's after something else.
We're clearly getting sharked. This dude looks great at chess. We don't stand a chance.
Is anyone good at chess besides Judah?
Nope.
Not me.
One time I watched paint dry instead of playing chess.
Gosh dang it!
Here comes the coal train.
No, not you.
Oh, come on. While you guys are playing chess, I'm playing checkers. Wait a minute.
We don't have any leverage on this guy. I think we have to play him.
Indeed. There's no way around it.
Shiloh, you're our best shot. Your strategic mind will be able to figure it out.
Whoa. When did Bozo Boy get here?
He came in once he heard Judah was missing. Daniel, aren't you good at chess?
Never really been the best. Go back to the fact that you called him in? As in, you two can't talk to each other?
No, he was at the same auction as me and Josiah.
I'll offer you a straight-up one-for-one trade. You get Uggle Boy, we get Judah!
We already got the teamwork going. Daniel, you're our best shot. You'll be the king.
I will be the king. I will play you, Oscar.
I said if she can beat me, only Shiloh is king. Let the game begin. Oh, and if you lose, I get to keep your souls. Standard rules.
What?
You see the giant owls too, right?
Who?
The giant owls, they're right there.
Who?
I'm gonna smack you with this!
What happened to fighting people?
It's Duolingo!
Oh no! Es the duo owl! Profesor, lo siento, estaba ocupado. Merci, por favor, merci!
Why is he the queen?
Somebody has to be.
I could be your queen.
We'll stick to Phineas.
I think it would have been safer if I was literally any other position.
The queen is just as safe as any other role.
I'm talking about him.
I am going to hang you by your toenails and slowly pluck out your eyelashes.
Yeah, there may have been safer roles for you.
Any questions?
Yeah, how does the knight move?
You know we don't know how to explain it.
It's not possible to.
The knight moves in an L shape in any direction. Giddy up.
Oh no, he actually knows how the knight moves. Guys, we might be cooked. He actually knows how the knight moves.
The rules are simple. Capture the king to win. Pawns move forward 1 and capture diagonally. The rook moves in straight lines. The bishop moves diagonally. The queen can move horizontally, vertically, and diagonally.
Nice tiara.
Don't say a word.
All right, let's do this. We need a good opening. Pawn, advance to E4! Pawn, advance to E4!
Go, that's you!
I'm a pawn?
Yes, now go to your space.
What's a space?
E4. No, you can't move that way. There. Go right there. No. Yes.
Oh gosh.
Pawn to E5. Developing those knights is a good way to control the center. I'd recommend it. It's best not to hold those horses.
Are you helping us?
You hold your horses.
Pawn to D4.
I see you're doing the center game opening. Why do you set such low expectations for yourself and constantly fail to achieve them? Queen to H4. Please.
Ha! I see you're doing the Clown Town Population U opening.
Sizzle burn!
And I see you've committed to that pile scrap metal you call an outfit.
I thought it was cute.
Bobby?
Shiloh, you could move that pawn.
Dad. Back, Phineas.
Where did you even get that?
Elijah gave it to me in case you showed up.
Pawn to G3! Your queen is threatened.
Have you learned nothing, Shiloh? You're playing the center game opening, but you've lost sight of the goal. Queen, take out the girl. Ooh, look who's in check. I'll give you a hint. It's you.
I didn't keep track of the board.
I didn't do anything.
You're making a face. I don't like that face.
It's just my face.
Pick a new one.
She's not done.
I'm back! What I miss?
Gala? Why are you doing this?
I love chess. You're still in check. Your move.
Phineas, queen to E2.
I'll protect you.
Oh, heck no!
No!
Oh, when I catch you, Finny! Finny, when I catch you, Finny!
Tis, Shiloh. Do better. Queen to H1.
Alex!
I'm scared of birds!
Alex, I'm sorry!
"34 possible moves, and you've chosen the worst one? I've studied every game of chess, including your last 2 games. Have you learned nothing?
Shiloh, this guy's better than anyone we've ever faced. We can't afford to take blunders like that.
Judah is king of the White Tower and the Dark Castle. If you were to win against him, you would become king of both.
Yes, but you're queen of land in your own right. Your headquarters on Antaria? And the many Raylos you defend. I'm here to fight you, Shiloh, not Judah.
Well, you see, that pawn defends that pawn, and that pawn defends that pawn, and that pawn defends that pawn, and that pawn is kind of out in the open, but he'll be fine.
Our job's to go into the caves. He's overrun with
horrible monsters beyond your comprehension.
You have beautiful eyes.
Think of the ancient pathway as a road that connects all the Raylos. Our mom built the Arxis that allows us to travel through it.
We received a distress call from the manager. 6 contestants have gone missing. Where are we gonna find a girl to compete?
No! I've researched you, Shiloh. The way the Raylos talk about you. They say you're the greatest agent to ever live.
That was the coolest thing I have ever seen!
I know!
I doubt it.
Stop screaming.
Okay. Was that a picture? Because if so, I think we need to go get my microphone!
Also, our mother is missing.
This could be your only chance to find your mom.
Your mother was the angel of the stars.
She really was a genius.
Shiloh, she's gone.
You don't know that. Another Raylo went barren. They're calling it a sky plague.
Someone out there is consuming whole Raylos. We're trying to stop them.
Are you sure you want to keep doing this?
It's what our family does.
Where are the bathrooms? I'm starting to get concerned that the monsters here just don't poop.
So is it gonna come out or not?
Shiloh! Oh! Why'd you try it too? I thought you did it wrong. I thought the door would just... Oh!